Hello everyone and welcome to this new Odoo tutorial video. Today we are going to see how we can connect an MCP to your Odoo from your AI tool. So here we are going to use Claude, but I guess you can use this for every AI as you prefer. So what is the utility of MCP? So in your AI tools, you will be able to request some data in your Odoo database. So if you want to get contacts, I don't know, sales orders or whatever for reporting, or create sales order from your AI tool or whatever, you can do this with the MCP. So to do this, we have to do some command lines. It's small ones, and everything will be in the description, so you don't have to write it on your own. Okay, so I will do this. Okay, so if you want to install the MCP, so it's already installed in my local, so yeah, I'll just write the command, but it's pretty easy. So you will have to execute this one first. Okay, so it will download something. Then when this is downloaded, you can do this command. It's called which uvx, and it will show you the paths. So if it shows you the paths, it means that okay, it's well installed. Okay, when this is done, okay, you can do this. So open -e and then the paths of the Claude desktop config file. So that's where your database will be, the login, etc. of your database will be added. So I'm doing that. Okay, so it opened there an editor. So everything will be in the description. So you have to change a small thing. So there, this is where the UVX is stored. So there, this is my name. Of course, it will be different for you, and you will see the difference when you are going to do which UVX. It will be your username. Okay, so this you don't have to change. Okay, so this is the Odoo URL, so the database URL. So you just have to copy paste this. Okay. Then on OdooDB, you'll have to change. You have to change it, and it's maybe the most difficult one. Okay, so in your production database, you must be in debug =1, so in debug mode. And when you are in debug mode, you go there to inspect tools. Okay, you click on this button and you go to this thing in yellow. Okay, and you click on it. Then you will see that it will select the mark tag. You click on the small arrow there, and you go down, and there is this in gray, this text, and so you have to take it and add the value there. Okay, so the Odoo user is just the email of your database, of your user. So in my case, it's admin. Okay, and Odoo API key, you just have to create an API key on your user. So to do this, you have to go there on security. Okay, add API key, and you will have to say, okay, Claude, tac. Let's say persistent key, Claude 2. I will create a new one, and you will have to copy and paste it there. When it's done, you just have to save and restart your Claude desktop. So, okay, the MCP is only working with the desktop app of Claude. You cannot use the MCP on the browser. Okay, so you have to install the Claude desktop app. So you quit it. Okay, so when it's quit, you can just go relaunch the app. And so when it's open, you just have, okay, let's say a new chat, and you say, okay, can you go to the MCP server that I created, Odoo 1, and list and give me the last contact that has been created. So there it will launch. Okay, and it will search a record. There we can see search record. It will maybe ask you, okay, do you allow me to do this? And you say yes, and then okay, it gives me the record that has been created. Okay, so yeah, this is admin, and it's been created the 14th May, and everything is set up. So now you just have to do whatever you want. So if you want to get sale orders, if you want to get your project, if you want to get timesheets, if you want to create records, you can also create records on your Odoo from the AI. For whatever reason, you can do this now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So as I said, every comment will be in the description, so you don't have to write it on your own. You just have to copy paste. And really don't hesitate if you have any question to ask them in comments. Have a good day.